Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on the silent play uh, on your account on Rednote on the play setting. So the answer is easy. First of all, enter the application and then choose any video you want, for example this one, and here you will find this share icon. Click on it. As you see here, you will find this play setting right here. Click on it again, and here you will find silent play. Click on it, and here it will be turned on. And as you see here, it says that play video silently after turning on. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.